1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, we're going to do circle breath. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to be giving her a double turn, but we're going to be traveling. So I'm going to be going forward, and I'm going to be going over the head on 1, scooping on 2. So I'm going 1, scoop, 2, 3. I'm going to do a right turn. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to go in. I'm going to open up the slot. 1, bring her forward. 2, double turn over the head. 3. Now I'm going to do a salsa set. 5, as I bring her around me. 6, 7. My right hand is going to my left shoulder. So now on 1, I'm going to bring the left hand down as I look at her. 1. Right hand's going to drape as I look. 2. I keep turning to the right. 3. Back charge. 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do a salsa step. 1. Step back. 2. Step to the other side of the slot. 3. Now I'm going to bring her in and run it. And 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, to front. 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a double to the right by going forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do 1 through 2.5 left. So forward. 1, 2, 3, chop, 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 6, 7. Now we're going to cross and 1, turning halfway. Then stay in place. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, salsa stack. 1, 2, 3, run it, and 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content, and if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.